You may have been asked by one of our Fitness to Practice case officers to be a witness in one of our investigations, and you may be asked to attend a hearing to speak to a panel. You could be an employer, a colleague of the person being investigated, or a family member of someone who uses care and support. The investigation is managed by our case officers. They can't talk to you about the investigation, but they'll be able to talk to you about your evidence and what will happen next in your investigation. We know that being a witness can be stressful. You may not be sure about what to say or how this will affect your personal relationship with the individual being investigated. We understand that this can be daunting and you're probably going through a difficult time, so you may feel you need to talk to someone independent in confidence about how you're feeling. You can talk to an independent service which can give you confidential emotional support or practical help and advice. The advice comes from a specially trained team at Victim Support. Calls to this service are free of charge. If you'd like help in another language, the service will arrange and pay for an interpreter to help. You can call at any point in the process about anything that's bothering you about the investigation. You can ask for help and advice or just talk about your feelings. When the investigation is over, the service can help you move forward. They won't know anything about your case unless you tell them. You don't have to give them your name or any other personal information if you don't want to. They won't share your information unless you ask them to. You can contact the service by phoning 0808 196 8638, available 8 AM to 6 PM, Monday to Friday, or by emailing socialcarewales@victimsupport.org.uk, available 8 AM to 6 PM, Monday to Friday. For more information, please see our website. I hope you found this video useful. Goodbye.